Hey fam, and today we back with another Pillsbury biscuit video, and this is definitely versatile. We're going to be making some garlic bread cheese bombs. That's perfect for any pasta, spaghetti, and you can even make these by yourself and eat them, okay? They are just that good. And the garlic bread works best with the cheddar cheese because it has that bold flavor. So just that quick, we went on ahead and chopped it up. You can't have the garlic bread without the butter and the parsley to make it look pretty and so shiny on the outside. Oh yeah. Now you on your own when you go and add your garlic powder. Nobody can tell you how much to add or how little to add. It's pretty much on you and your taste buds. Okay? So let's go ahead and open up the biscuits. The most dreaded part for some of y'all because you know you scared when you hear that pop. But it's nothing to it. Now you don't want these biscuits sitting out, meaning you don't want them warm. You want them still cool so you can work with them easier. This is where the fun part comes in because we're going to go ahead and shape the bombs. Now these are going to be bite-sized pieces, so you want to cut your dough in half. And then you're going to add your cheese right in the center, okay? Now the important thing here is to make sure your cheese can fit in your dough. And then you're just going to roll it like you're making some meatballs, you know, some meatballs with your spaghetti. Like I said, this garlic bread is perfect for spaghetti. There you go. Now, the other really cool thing is you can pull those biscuits right apart. Yes, y'all. Make sure you stretch those biscuits, especially if you have a large family. You can take the regular 8 biscuits that come in a can, separate them. You got 16 biscuits, and then once you cut them in half to make your cheese bombs, you got 32. Make it work because you know these things are not going to last but a few seconds, so the more you got, the better. Now these are not all the biscuits. We're going to have to do these in batches. Do y'all see how that butter look? We're going to go ahead and dunk those biscuits right in that garlic butter. And it's going to be so good once they come out the oven. And by the way, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. Once we get all the biscuits coated, it's going to look just like this. And we're going to bake these for about 15 minutes. Give it enough time for that cheese to go ahead and get heated up and bust out them seams. And it's going to look just like this. Now, don't toss that garlic butter away just yet because we're going to go ahead and drizzle that garlic butter right on top of these biscuits now that they've come out the oven. Yes, we're going to go ahead and give them a little bit more shininess to them, a little bit more garlic flavor. But these are ready to eat, and you want to eat these while they're hot. Don't let them sit around and get cold because they're not going to taste the same. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and link some recipes below that will definitely go good with these garlic cheese bombs. Y'all know we have a lot of recipes on this channel. We try to make it easy for you and your family to enjoy. Until next time, go ahead and subscribe with us, roll with us, and we'll see y'all back for the next video because you never know what's coming up next.
See y'all later. Bye.